10 fruits and the organs they benefit most. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of fruits and how these natural wonders specifically support different parts of your body. Get ready to discover how a simple addition to your diet can make a profound difference. Let's start with the mighty blueberry, often hailed as a brain-boosting superfood. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which are known to cross the blood-brain barrier. They help protect brain cells from damage and support cognitive function. Regular consumption of blueberries can enhance memory, improve learning, and even slow age-related cognitive decline. They promote better communication between brain cells, keeping your mind sharp and focused. Make blueberries a staple for a healthier, more vibrant brain. Next up is papaya, a tropical delight renowned for its digestive benefits. This vibrant fruit contains a powerful enzyme called papain, which aids in breaking down proteins. This makes digestion smoother and more efficient. Papaya is also rich in fiber and water, both crucial for a healthy digestive system. They help prevent constipation and promote regularity. Incorporating papaya into your diet can soothe digestive discomfort and support overall gut health. Don't let its small size fool you. The kiwi is a powerhouse for your immune system. This fuzzy fruit is exceptionally high in vitamin C, a vital nutrient for immune function. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. Kiwi also provides antioxidants that protect your cells from damage, further bolstering your body's defenses. Enjoying kiwi regularly can help you stay resilient against common illnesses. It's a delicious way to keep your immune system strong. When it comes to kidney health, watermelon is a true champion. This refreshing fruit is over 90% water, making it an excellent natural diuretic. It helps flush out toxins and waste products from your kidneys, promoting their healthy function. Watermelon also contains citrulline, an amino acid that converts to arginine in the body. Arginine helps improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure, which is beneficial for kidney health. Stay hydrated and support your kidneys with this juicy fruit. The creamy avocado is a superstar for cardiovascular health. Unlike many fruits, avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered healthy fats. These fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Avocados also provide potassium, a mineral vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Their fiber content further supports heart health by helping to manage cholesterol. Embrace avocados for a happy and healthy heart. For radiant and healthy skin, look no further than the beautiful pomegranate. This jewel-toned fruit is loaded with antioxidants, including vitamin C, which are crucial for skin health. Antioxidants help protect skin cells from damage caused by free radicals. Pomegranate also supports collagen production, a protein essential for skin elasticity and firmness. Regular consumption can help reduce signs of aging and promote a youthful glow. Nourish your skin from the inside out with pomegranate. Grapes in all their colourful varieties offer significant benefits for your blood and circulatory system. They contain powerful antioxidants like resveratrol, particularly in the skin of red and purple grapes. Resveratrol helps protect blood vessels and improve blood flow. Grapes also support healthy blood pressure and can help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is beneficial for heart and blood vessel health. Enjoying grapes can contribute to a healthier circulatory system and overall blood vitality. If you're looking to support your joint health, pineapple is an excellent choice. This tropical fruit contains bromelain, a unique enzyme complex with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain can help reduce pain and swelling, particularly in conditions like arthritis. Pineapple also provides vitamin C, which is essential for the production of collagen, a key component of cartilage and connective tissues in your joints. Incorporate pineapple into your diet to help keep your joints flexible and comfortable. The luscious mango is a fantastic fruit for maintaining healthy vision. It's rich in vitamin A, a crucial nutrient for eye health. Vitamin A is essential for the proper functioning of the retina and for maintaining good vision, especially in low light. Mangoes also contain antioxidants like zeaxanthin and lutein, which are known to protect the eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Enjoy mangoes to keep your eyes bright and healthy. Finally, let's talk about the humble apple and its surprising benefits for your teeth. While not a substitute for brushing, eating an apple can act as a natural toothbrush. Its fibrous texture helps clean your teeth and stimulate your gums. The malic acid in apples also helps increase saliva production, which washes away food particles and neutralizes bacteria. Chewing an apple can help reduce plaque buildup and keep your breath fresh. An apple a day truly can help keep the dentist away. From brain to teeth, fruits offer an incredible array of targeted health benefits. By incorporating a variety of these natural powerhouses into your daily diet, you're not just eating delicious food, you're actively investing in your well-being. So, go ahead, embrace the vibrant world of fruits and feel the difference they make. If you like this video, hit that like button, share it to your friends, and subscribe if you aren't already. It really helps the channel grow. Hit that notification icon so you won't miss on future contents. You might also like these videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Start incorporating these fruits in your diet.